Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken gelatin. This easy method uses simple ingredients you likely have on hand. First, you'll need a whole cooked chicken weighing around 3 to 4 pounds. You'll also need 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget a bay leaf and a 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns for flavor. Once your ingredients are ready, place the chicken carcass, chopped vegetables, and spices into a large pot. Pour in the 4 cups of chicken broth, making sure everything is mostly covered. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for at least 2 hours, or even up to 3 hours, to really draw out all those wonderful flavors. After simmering, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Make sure to discard all the solids, including the bones, vegetables, and spices, as their work is done. Let the strained broth cool completely to room temperature before moving on. Then, refrigerate the cooled broth for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set properly. Once chilled, you'll notice a layer of solidified fat on top. Simply skim this off and discard it. Your chicken gelatin should now be firm and jiggly, indicating it's perfectly set and ready to enjoy. You can serve this savory gelatin as a unique side dish, or use it as a flavorful base in other culinary creations. Store any leftover gelatin in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.